Hi, I'm Doug Walker. Welcome to the Roominess Design Files. So how long does it take to keep your house in fairly good-looking order? For me, it's 10 minutes a day. How did I come up with that number? Well, I made it up. I set a timer literally for 10 minutes, and in those 10 minutes I go around and pick up things that are out of place around the house. By limiting the time, it enables you to focus on just doing that one thing, just pick up things around the house, and put them where they need to be. You'd be amazed, actually, if you set a timer for just 10 minutes, how much you can get accomplished. And if you do that for several days in a row, your house will start to be in fairly good order. A tip to remember is not to get involved in some particular task, like, say, washing the dishes. Go around, pick up the dishes that are out of place, that are on the counter or on the table, put them in the sink so you can address that chore more efficiently later. This is just a simple 10-minute go around the house, pick things up and put them back where they're supposed to be kind of chore. To help spread the word, or to up your interiors game, hit the share and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching.